Hey everyone, just wanted to go over how to use the databases to find great information and to make sure that you're citing them correctly. So we've already navigated to the city's IDU page on the library website under research projects. Once we're there, we've already found our books in Opals and then in the library stacks, hopefully. From there, we're going to go with World Book Web or Britannica, ProQuest Culturegrams, the middle school database, or Classroom Video on Demand. So World Book Web, we're going to log into there using our Lamoille and then our union password. And once you get here, we're just going to type in a name of your city. We'll go to student, and then from there, we have our search bar. There we go. We're going to go for Barcelona on this one. Okay, Barcelona, first article, we're going to read more. Okay, so we've got an article. We even have the ability to hear how it's pronounced and the written out way to pronounce it. We've got lots of good information. We've got images on the side. Scroll through, and if we go back to the top, we'll see that there's a tab for media. On that media tab, we have a map of Spain. We have a map of Barcelona, the city. We have a map of Casa Mila, so I'm pretty sure that's one of Gaudi's works. And then the Sagrada Familia and Barcelona in general. So we've got some great images. Those can all be used in your project. And then we've got the article. Just a reminder, we're going to cite our sources, so citation is there. We can also save or share. I recommend that as you're researching, you keep track of what you've researched so that you can cite your sources. And I recommend citing your sources as you go. So that's World Book. We've got Britannica, same deal, Lamoille, password union. We're going to go to middle, search. Let's go to Amsterdam, city in Netherlands. So we've got a did you know? We've got different reading levels. We've got a map. Lots of good information. Scroll down, see what we have, culture and commerce, history. And then if I go back up to the top, same as World Book, we have images and video, so media. We've got a video, we've got some images and the map. And then if we go back to the article, we can cite our source right there. So that is Britannica. We have ProQuest Culturegrams, which is all about world culture and different countries. So if I go to World Edition, and then let's go to South America, and we'll go to Brazil for Rio. So we've got some did you know information. We've got land and climate, history, population, language, religion, general attitudes, personal appearance. So we've got customs and courtesies, we've got lifestyle, we've got society, and then at a glance, we have country data. Now, of course, that is the country data and not the city data, but that can also be really interesting and really important. The flag of Brazil, we've got the official name and anthem, we've got information about the average person, which might be really interesting and important. And then on the side over here, we have different features, a video, photo gallery, slideshow, interviews, famous people that you may have heard of from there, recipes, and then some graph tools and stuff like that. You can cite your source down at the bottom here. So that is Culturegrams. We also have Gale, which is a great basic database. Let's go with Dublin. And let's go for an image this time. So we've got Trinity College. It's amazing there. Their library is top notch. And so if I use this in my research, or if I use that to put into my slideshow or wherever I'm putting stuff, I'm going to cite my source. So that is Gale. You can also go to Classroom Video on Demand. Oh, and Gale's password is HOOF, H-O-O-F. For Classroom Video on Demand, it's again Lamoille, password union. And I'm going to go to Dublin. Oh, I wish, right? So you may be able to just type in Dublin. You may have to type in Dublin, Ireland. But for this, it looks like we've got good old Rick Steves. Now we already have this on that bottom part here. We have Rick Steves listed, but we'll just keep them there. So we've got some good information, archaeology, and this is a travel video in general. So lots of good information there, and then citing my source there. So this is just the beginning of how you can research in the library. You can also always go to library databases and find our entire list of databases. So we have the encyclopedias, we've got New York Times, we've got so many databases here. We've got information and news and global issues here. We've got history and social studies. We've got National Geographic. We've got science and health. So there are so many resources on our database page that we have not linked on the city's IDU page, that if you get stuck or you want more information, you should definitely visit the library databases page as well, so that you can get as much information as you need. Happy researching, and if you need any help from us, please let us know.